Present from Grandma Carol. Are you going to take every little piece off?
It's a fan. There he goes. Rawr.
Rip it off.
There he is. There you go. Good job, buddy.
You're like a professional.
Professional.
It's a twin window fan. No, that's not what it is.
Professional terror of things. Okay.
Do we need scissors?
No.
It's for you. Daddy's gonna open it. Grandma Carol did a good job of securing it. Woo!
I remember these.
You do?
Oh yeah, I had these when I was real little.
So Finn, this is something Daddy had when he was little.
You know what's it? It's a suitcase for cars.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I remember this was one of my favorite ones.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Oh, this one is one of my favorite ones too because this thing popped up and I could see the end. Oh my god. Train one? Yeah,
Wow.
This one. Fire truck. The
And now
ladder
you-
goes up. Look.
Oh wow, and now you have a way to carry them.
Oh, I remember this one.
So you don't have to carry them all on your own.
I remember this convertible. Oh my gosh.
Finn, you want to hear
That
the...
truck, I remember this, it opens.
Finn, listen to the letter. When your daddy was a little boy, he used to play with these special Matchbox cars and trucks.
This one had a little guy that went on top, and when you this rotated, and this thing, the light rotates when you go. I remember, I was probably 6.
6.
And I remember all this stuff.
Wow. Finn, are you going to remember everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one, the hood comes open.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yup.
Well, now you and Daddy can play with the cars that he used to play with when he was a little boy.
And helicopter.
Helicopter. Plane. A plane.
Helicopter. Like a plane. Oh, this is my favorite. As you can tell in its condition. You know what? Then look. Look, I was in the police cars, and look at this one. Look, the doors come open. Doors still open. I remember this one, you have to push it in first and then close it because it has a little hitch in it. That was my favorite.
Aww.
I told you.
Why was that one your favorite?
Because I was into cops and the
Oh,
doors opened.
got it.
Probably
Finn, which one is your
my
favorite?
top 5 too.
A truck.
Oh, you found yourself a truck.
I like this one. The surfboards actually come off of this one.
Wow. It's pretty intricate.
Surfboard.
You said you never played with cars. I guess you did.
Never said that.
Oh. You weren't into cars.
You see a big bus, Finn?
Yeah.
Oh, and I like this one. You know why I like this one?
Mm-mm. Why do you like that one?
You can't tell.
I can't see from...
See, the door's open on this one too, Finn. Arthur.
Oh.
Yeah, looks like the Arthur car.
Ah, yes it does. Shall we take a ride through the park? Bitumen.
Oh, the DeLorean. Look, this one opens, Finn. Look at the doors on that one. Oh, race car wagon. Look at this one, buddy.
First was hired on as a Chicago Bears assistant office coordinator. They said, hey, let's break out some of that 2001 Rams tape and let's bring in Isaac Bruce to teach some of these wide receivers what we would like to do.
Finn, look at me. Show me how happy you are.
Hey, thank you, Grandma Carol.
Look at the camera and say, thank you, Grandma Carol.
Good job. Look at this one. You mix this. You can put water and mix it. Look, this one. Put your finger right here. Lift it up. Lift it up with this.
And he can do that. And he's shown that too. Well, everything you guys say is true. I'm keeping this a big free.
This one is a dump truck.
Take what the defense here. You got Taylor in the backfield. You got 4K. You got Oakland tight end. They're going to be your best friend. They're your drop off, your check down guys. Use them when you can use them. You're not going to make a living on the field on practice. So how do you feel?
Oh my goodness! Look!
Oh my gosh. Oh, I remember this. Man, you're going to love this if I can find the front to it. Oh, there's my all-time favorite. Dukes of Hazzard.
Wow. Do you like that one, Finn?
Car. That was in high demand.
Do you like that one, Finn?
Yeah.
I didn't know what the rebel flag represented at the time.
How did you keep track of all these cars, Luke?
That was a model car. The suitcase.
Oh.
Look at the bug.
Look.
I'm
There
gonna...
it is. Which Finn?
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this guy comes in and fills everybody up with gas.
Back to the Windy City of Stewart. This is the 18th anniversary of Brett Favre's first ever start with the Green Bay
This one has a person in it. It's kind of creepy.
Baby.
Look, buddy. This has a person in it. Look. Has a person. Hi, Finn.
He's been sitting in there all these years?
Yeah, I don't know how old he is. Probably about 30. 35.
Do you like your new trucks and cars?
Yeah.
And the doors
Yeah?
open on this one, this little Porsche.
Of course.
This one got used to that. Yeah, the Porsche.
Are you going to keep them forever and then give them to your children, Finn?
And here's a little 76 race car. Those were famous.